How to get Adobe Premium Pro free trial. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to get Adobe Premium Pro free trial. So first of all you have to do is just simply go to the description of this particular video, and there you will find two links. Just go to the first link and just click on it, and after that you will be landed to this particular website where you will see these two options, save today and free trial. Just simply click on free trial over here, and over here you have individual plan, business, and if you're a student or a teacher you can opt for this particular plan as well. So if you're an individual, you can select the individual plan right here. Just select the one that suits all your requirement and the things that you would want to do over here. Yeah, so just select a plan as per your liking, and after that click on continue. And as soon as you come here, it will ask you to log in with your email address if you already haven't. And I have already logged in with my particular email address. And once you're done that, just simply click on continue. And after that, on this page, you have to enter your payment details, your card details. I'm using my credit card right now. I'm just quickly going to enter my card details over here. And once you have entered your card details, just simply click on continue to verification. And once this is done, your free trial has been started now. After that, all you have to do is just go to the description box again. And after that, just open the second link, and this kind of interface will open up. Now click on download Creative Cloud from here. And now it will take some time, and the Creative Cloud will download in your device. Now your Adobe Creative Cloud has been downloaded. Just simply click on continue to install the application and enter your Mac password. And now as you can see that the Creative Cloud has been downloaded in my device. And once this is done, just simply click on view your apps and come to the apps section. And over here you have all the applications that you can use right now. So just simply click on the Premium Pro and click on download over here. Just simply open the tab and just install the application in your device. It will take some time to install the Adobe Premium Pro in your device. And once this is done, then you will be able to use the Adobe Premium Pro in your device quite easily. And once your 7-day trial is complete, the amount will be deducted from your credit card. And if you don't want that to happen, you can simply cancel your trial period before 7 days. And that's how you will be able to dodge the payment through your credit card and will be able to enjoy the free trial for at least 6 days. So yeah, that's how you will be able to get Adobe Premium Pro free trial. I hope you find this video to be helpful.